After Estonia regained its independence in 1991, the Estonian Reading Association was founded on May 9, 1992. We organize a thematic conference in Estonia rotating between regions of the country every year, so that researchers and practitioners can work together to find new and effective ways to teach and develop literacy in different target groups. International conferences have provided an opportunity for professional idea generation and exchange of specialists from around the world. 13th European Conference on Literacy. 4th Baltic Sea Conference on Literacy. We invite you to the 6th Baltic Sea Conference on Literacy. Literacy Environment, Environmental Literacy. October 4th to 7th, 2025, Tallinn, Estonia.